Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this medicinal juice. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients for making the juice. I have the pineapple. Okay, this is the pineapple, this is the cloves. Okay, then here is the ginger. I'll be using ginger for it, and lemon. Okay, so these four things are the ingredients for making our detoxing juice. So I've washed the pineapple very well to remove every dirt and germs in it. I wash it with clean water very well. So I'll be cutting the back, the skin now. You know, the skin is what we'll be using for the medicine. So this juice is loaded with so many health benefits. It cures cough, regulates blood sugar, reduces the risk of heart diseases. It works for detoxification very well. Okay, so the major reason of doing this is to detoxify myself. Talking about the cough, I was having cough when I was preparing this juice, but after taking it for 2 days, the cough stopped immediately. It's not a joke, that's true. Okay, so I'm done with cutting the skin now. I kept the main pineapple in the fridge to refrigerate. Then I'll be adding the skin inside the pot now. So here I have lemon, 3 lemons and ginger. I've washed them very well to remove dirt and dust in it. I will slice them and put it inside the pot. I will also peel the ginger skin, but you can add the skin also. It's not compulsory. I just want to remove the skin before adding it inside the pot. It depends on what you like. Okay, shout out to all my newest subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family. To my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for all the likes, shares and comments. I so much appreciate it. Okay, so I've peeled the ginger. I'll be adding it inside the pot. So guys, everything is here. You can see the pineapple skin, the peeled ginger and lemon. So I'll be adding the cloves. Okay, so guys, I will be adding, this is 2 liters of water. So I'll add 2 liters of water to it. Okay, I just added 2 liters of water. This is 2 liters of water. Okay, so I'm adding another 1 liters of water to it. So I added 3 liters of water to it. I will cover it and allow it to boil for 30 minutes. Okay, so let's check our medicinal juice is all ready. It even exceeded 30 minutes because I was busy doing something, and before I could check, it's already 14 minutes. So but it's all good and done. You can see the juice is all ready. If you've watched to this moment and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and be part of this family. Okay, subscription is free and does not cost anything. Then turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching till this moment, and see you on another video. Bye.